Today you'll be playing Keep or Toss. We show you a personal document, and you tell us whether you should keep or toss it. You have 5 attempts. 3 right wins the game, and our fabulous mystery prize. Good luck.
Hi, Mom.
First up, we have an ATM withdrawal slip. This scrap of paper, which was found crumpled at the bottom of a purse, showcases a checking account withdrawal of $40. Now, Jan, what do you say? Keep or toss?
I'm gonna say keep.
Let's find out if she's right. Oh, Jen, I'm sorry. ATM slips don't have to be kept forever. Once the transaction is reflected in your account, you can say bye-bye to those pesky little papers.
Aw, man.
It's still early in the game. Next up, we have a monthly bank statement.
Ooh.
This bank statement is from last month and details a variety of regular expenses. Now, Jen, you've seen the bank statement. Keep or toss?
I have a good feeling about this one. Keep.
Keep, you got it. Bank statements should be kept for the current year and even longer if they include business expenses, major purchases, tax-deductible expenses, or mortgage installments. You are just 2 points away from that sweet, sweet mystery prize. Next up, an assortment of blender-related print materials. This set includes a full-color instruction manual, original purchase receipt, and warranty contact information.
I usually put that stuff straight into the garbage.
Keep or toss?
Toss.
Oh no, you actually want to hold on to that manual and warranty information for all of your appliances and electronics for as long as you own them.
Oh, shoot.
You're still in this. Remember, you need 2 more to win. Next, we have a pay stub. This stylish pay stub from 2 years ago details the weekly pay given to Kevin, a part-time lasagna chef. Now, we want to know, keep or toss?
I think pay stubs should be kept for at least 1 year, so I want to say keep. But this statement is 2 years old, which means Kevin has already checked it against his W-2 form from that year, so toss. Toss that pay stub.
Toss! Yes! Jen is climbing her way back to the top. All that stands between you and that fabulous mystery prize is this last item.
Let's do this.
Here we have a credit card statement, also 2 years old. Among the purchases are a dinner at a sushi restaurant, a taxi taken on a business trip, and a TV set. And now, for the win. Jan, we need to know, what will you do? Keep or toss?
Oh man, let me think about this one.
Your fate is in your hands.
This statement is 2 years old, so it should be okay to toss it.
Everyone is counting on you.
But there's something about those specific purchases.
The stakes have never been higher.
It looks like a business expense, which means that it might have been a tax deduction.
The tension is unbearable.
And if it is tax related, you should hold on to it for 7 years. And the TV!
Come to think of it, this can't be good for my hypertension.
That's a major purchase, so this statement could serve as proof of payment in a warranty claim. Keep!
Jan, you said keep, even though this credit card statement is 2 years old and could probably be accessed online. For the win and that sweet mystery prize. Let's find out. Is it keep? Keep! Yeah! You're a winner! Let's find out what you've been playing for. You are now the proud owner of a new car. Button footprint reducing solar-powered paper shredder.
What?
This eco-friendly self-cleaning shredder features a cross-cut shred style that provides added protection from identity thieves. Its slick design and smooth handling will have you shredding everything in sight. Keep or Toss takes no responsibility for user error in shredding documents that should be kept forever. That's another happy winner on Keep or Toss. We'll be right back after a quick word from our sponsor. Hey!